time for another road trip. This one's going to be a ton of driving in a short amount of time, but hopefully it'll be worth it. Stop one is Costco because they've got the cheap diesel fuel, and stop number 2 was Cup Bop because it's good and I'm hungry. Alright, it is almost midnight and I just made it to my campsite in Arizona. Fun stuff. Had to get my wristband. Now I gotta go back to the entrance and show the guy that I actually have it. Fun stuff. So everyone else showed up yesterday, and I'm here a day late, and that caused one heck of a time because they left the little wristband that they give you at their car. I went and got it, brought it back to the guy, and then he's like, it's the wrong color because today's color is yellow and yesterday's color was red. And I was like, oh no. And he's like, let me see what we need to do. And he calls down to the little base thing with his walkie-talkie, and they weren't answering for a while. And finally he got through to him, and they're like, yeah, it'll be okay. And I was like, oh, thank God. Because if I needed to go get a new wristband, if they'd let me, I would have had to have driven another 120 miles round trip to get back to where I'm at now. So I'm glad that it all worked. Very excited. After a whole lot of effort, start our hike now. 7.06 miles later, and we made it to the village. Supposedly this was 8 miles, and we've got another 2 miles before we get to the campground. But we'll see. To the campsite and forgot to take a video. Once you're in, hi guys. Probably fine.
You're getting further away.
Go! Camera.
Yeah, Arthur, you need to move to the front.
This is Mooney Falls.
So we're going to go back down to the beaver. Check it out.
We started up there, hiked across, hiked down these sketchy stairs. I hate stairs. And then here we are. We've entered the rainforest. Well, look how magical it looks coming out. You're like, and then you've got all the blue water. Wow.
Becca, you're a star! Fall in the water. And this, my friends, is Beaver Falls.
There's like 2 trees to hang a hammock up here.
Climbed up a hill and got a bird's eye view of some tents. Headed back to the top now. Everybody else is staying an extra day, but I decided that I need to go to work tomorrow, so. For $100, that was significantly more fun than walking, and it looked like a thunderstorm was coming in, so win-win on that one. And after that super long hike, back to the car. It's funny. Oh, there he goes again. Apparently he just runs back and forth all day, 2 days a week until he runs out of things to do, and then he goes back to Flagstaff. Taking this video when it doesn't look super scenic anymore, but we're in Lake Mead National Recreation Area. Fun. There's some more scenery. Over there's the Hoover Dam. Enjoy this beautiful view of it. It's great. Everybody loves it. Probably not gonna make it in the video, but you know, there it was. Well, we got this at least. Look at all these people. See all their heads poking up. Welcome to Nevada. So we're cruising along I-15, right? We got some cars and stuff, and then we got some sort of fire up there, and it looks like we might be here for a couple minutes. And many hours later, we made it home. Yeehaw.